How to check your history on Grab app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. Here you'll see many options on your screen. Simply tap on the activity option located on the bottom of your screen, which is right next to the payment button. After tapping on it, you'll see a history option on the top right corner. Simply tap on it, and here you'll again see many options on the top. Simply tap on the option that you want to look. So if I want to know the history of my mart, then I'll simply tap on the mart option, and it is that easy. This is how you can check your history on the Grab app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.